Morning, YouTubian friends. Today's the day. We got Bentley's engine loaded up in the car. We're gonna head on over to my buddy's shop where he's already got Bentley's current engine pulled out of the car, so we can go ahead and transfer over distributor, intake, flywheel, clutch, tins, yada 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 yada, and go and get this puppy completed, hopefully fired up today. So let's get over there and get to work. Now this is a beautiful morning in Florida. 67 degrees, 8 a.m. This is shorts and t-shirt weather, guys. Oh, this is what I love. Windows down, cruising. Headed to the shop to get some work done. This is getting my blood pumping, guys. Woo! The engine made it up to the shop safe and sound. Now it's time to get this old engine tore down, transfer everything over, see if we can get this puppy to run. There's a little update video. Things are moving along. Distributor drive gear is in, distributor's in place set to 3,000s. Turned out so nice. Generator stand, let's see what we got left. Fuel pump, a couple other little odds and ends, and then he's working on cleaning up and painting his tins, so not gonna bother time-lapsing this, kind of no point. Not really doing a how-to, we'll just, let's see this bitch run. Well, she's together. Ready to put the bell housing on here soon. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up, do cam brake in. We'll get you set up for that and watch that live. What do you think? Let's get to work. I threw a little bit the other way. we go. You happy, Bentley?
Look, you don't see that?
See what? See what?
You don't see that?
Good to go. That's it.